Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, if you've been here before, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for stopping by today. Let's get started. First of all, y'all, I don't know what to do. I need some help because my hair is so dry. The rose water gives it a moisture, but my hair still feels dry when you touch it. I don't know if it's because my hair is changing over and locking up. It feels a little different. I said I would not use products because I am scared to use products, but I need something to wash my hair with. So if y'all got any suggestions on how you wash your hair or what you use to wash your hair and it's not leaving a buildup or residue on your locks, please let me know. I want something that won't leave a residue on my hair. I don't want heaviness. I want to deep condition the ends of my hair. I want to keep the curls on the end, so I will condition them. So far, into 3 months, I don't know if y'all can tell, and I am in the middle of interlocking my hair. My second interlocking session. I got all my front done. Some of my back over here, but right now, just to finish it up, I'm trying to do my middle right here and my back right here. After I do my back and my middle here, I will be done. Now, I started on that last week. I'm still not done. Not the fact that I'm not done because it's taking me that long. Usually it take me, if I'm doing it on my own time, it usually take me about a week because I just start, stop. But this time it's taking me a lot longer because I've been doing a lot of things. I've been busy this week. The time that I have for my hair, which is at night, do a section. At least I'll try to do a section. I probably do half of a section and leave the rest. But that's why I did my front first. I can hide new growth all over my head. But with that being said, my new growth, oh my goodness. I will be posting some clips at the end so y'all can see what I'm talking about. My hair it's like it's locked, like the new growth is locking. Like with the locks, it's taking forever for me to lock. Even though I am just only within my third month, you know, should be seeing something. And I'm saying is the longer I go without interlocking my hair, y'all, the new growth is just sticking together, locking up, and I don't know what to do. Someone told me that, and she has dreads too. The first thing she said was, "Oh, you just wake up and go, don't you? You just wake up and go." In my head, I'm like, okay, how she know that? Yeah, I just wake up and go. That's the purpose of me having locks, is just to wake up and go, right? When she said you just wake up and go, she knew me. Because you wake up and go, that's what happens to your new growth. It starts to stick together and lock up. Or free-forming, you don't want to free-form. You need, every time you get up, or every time you get ready to go, or every time you do your hair, you need to at least, every day, you need to at least run your fingers through your hair. Just run your fingers through your roots so they won't clunk up together. Because believe it or not, my roots were clunking together. I'm not using any product. The only thing I'm using is the rose water that I created. You see in this video right here. You can see how to make real rose water right here. That water that I created, and I'm using oil. That's the only thing I'm using on my hair. And for it to be clunking up like that, I'm like, hey, I'm good. When I get up, take my little cap off. I run my fingers through my hair, shake it a little bit, and run my fingers back through it. If I don't, my new growth is gonna, I'm telling y'all, it's gonna clunk up. If I connected some, again, some of them they were clunking up where little strings were attached from different parts. So I would cut those little strings just to have one lock by itself. So I'm learning as I go, interlocking my own hair. It is a tedious process, but at the end it's well worth it because after I finish, I love my hair. After I finish interlocking this time, I will be washing my hair for the first time. I know a lot of people say that locks start from the bottom up. You know, you get the little balls, the little nappy balls hanging and all that kind of stuff, and it goes up, but I don't want that. What I want is locks from my root down, but I want my ends to be curly. It's just trial and error. That's all it is with me. It's trial and error. With that being said, I'll see y'all next time. If you got any questions for me or anything, don't forget to put them in the comments or message me, however you want to do it.